Did you know that beavers are nature's ultimate ecosystem engineers? These industrious rodents don't just build dams for themselves, they transform entire landscapes. When a beaver constructs a dam, it creates wetlands that become thriving habitats for countless species and naturally purify water like a free treatment plant. Let's dive into why beavers are some of the most powerful forces in nature. When beavers build their dams by stacking branches, mud, and rocks, they slow down flowing water and create ponds. But here's the amazing part. These ponds become instant wetlands. Fish dart beneath the surface, frogs splash at the edges, and birds find refuge in the lush vegetation. In fact, 25% of all species living in beaver wetlands depend entirely on beaver activity for their survival. One single beaver dam can transform a landscape in just months. Plant diversity can increase by up to 33% as new species colonize the flooded areas. The wetlands expand, creating diverse habitats for fish, mammals, waterfowl, songbirds, amphibians, and insects. Some areas have so many beaver dams, up to 28 per kilometer along one stream, that beavers are responsible for 50% of all the wetlands there. But the real magic happens underground. Beaver dams function like a free water treatment plant. As water slows down behind the dam, sediment sinks to the bottom, and wetland plants absorb excess nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. The dams trap pollutants, heavy metals, and pesticides, naturally filtering the water. Studies show beaver-made wetlands provide water purification services worth hundreds of millions of dollars. And here's the craziest part. Beavers save the United States an estimated $133 million in habitat and biodiversity protection every single year. These remarkable creatures are so powerful that one study found areas with beaver activity experience only 1/3 the damage from wildfires compared to similar areas without beavers. Nature's engineers deserve our respect. Want to learn more fascinating facts about nature's greatest engineers? Visit Sikho.ai for hundreds of mind-blowing discoveries.